Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from OKX to Mexc. First of all, you need to log into your OKX account. Then you need to hover over the assets on the top right menu and go to the My Assets page. Right here, you need to click Withdraw. You need to select the crypto, so we are sending USDT, and you need to select On-Chain. Then click Next. Now we need to select the network. The bad thing is that OKX doesn't support BIP20 network, and I suggest you to use TRC20. It has got 1 USDT fixed fee, and it's the fastest way to transfer your USDT from OKX to Mexc. So let's choose TRC20. Now let's go back to Mexc and let's find our TRC20 wallet, guys. To find this wallet, you need to hover over the wallet on the top right menu, go to the spot account, and in the list you need to find USDT. Then you need to click deposit. Let's select the network, so we're using the TRC20 network, and we need to copy this wallet address from Mexc, and let's paste it right here. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT we're going to send. The minimum withdrawal amount is 3 USDT. And for example, we are sending 100 USDT. There will be fixed fee 1 USDT and you will receive 99 USDT. You need to click the next button and you need to finalize the payment. In maximum 3 minutes, you can check your balance on Mexc. To check your balance, you need to go to wallet on the top right menu and go to the spot account. Right here, you will see your USDT balance. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.